Welcome back to SnoozeLab, your go-to place for simple lifestyle tips that help you sleep better, feel better, and live better. In today's video, we're diving into 10 surprising ways your home is making you sick. Even the cleanest home can hide toxins, allergens, and small everyday habits that impact your health without you noticing. Let's get straight into it. Many homes have more polluted air inside than outside. Dust, pet dander, mold spores, and chemical fumes can irritate your lungs and drain your energy. Opening your windows for just 10 minutes a day can make a huge difference. Mold loves bathrooms, kitchens, basements, and anywhere moisture builds up. Even small patches can trigger allergies, headaches, and breathing issues. If you smell something musty, check it out. Many common cleaning products release volatile organic compounds, or VCs, into the air. Over time, these chemicals can cause irritation, fatigue, and even long-term health effects. Switch to natural or fragrance-free cleaners when possible. Carpets trap dust, allergens, pet hair, and odors. Even if you vacuum often, years of buildup stay deep inside the fibers. A steam clean or hardwood upgrade can dramatically improve air quality. If your AC or heating system uses old, clogged filters, you're breathing in recirculated dust and pollutants. Changing filters every 1 to 3 months is one of the easiest ways to keep your home's air clean. They smell amazing, but many release synthetic chemicals that irritate the respiratory system and disrupt hormones. Try essential oil diffusers or candles made from soy or beeswax instead. Clutter creates stress without you realizing it. It also collects dust and makes it harder to keep your home clean. A 10-minute daily declutter session works wonders. Overwatered plants can grow mold, attract insects, and release extra humidity into the air. Make sure plant trays drain properly and avoid letting water sit. Screens give off blue light, which disrupts your sleep and confuses your internal clock. Poor sleep leads to weaker immunity, more stress, and fatigue. Keep your bedroom a low-tech zone when you can. Dark rooms can mess with your circadian rhythm, lower your mood, and create environments where bacteria thrive. Open blinds and let sunlight naturally disinfect your space. And there you have it, 10 surprising ways your home might be making you sick and simple steps to fix each one. Your home should be a place of rest, healing, and energy, not stress and hidden toxins. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to SnoozeLab, and turn on notifications for more health and wellness videos. Thanks for watching, stay healthy, stay mindful, and I'll see you in the next one.